Oh,
Let's head back inside.
okay, ready?
Man couldn't work on time every day and he grind for the raise. Boss say he got a wife he don't even really like and a house that's way overpriced, but he still gotta.
My boy Sean, he got all these packages out here. We're gonna have him unbox all of it and all that. What's the utensil we're gonna use for this?
Okay. This one looks so dope, but then this one just like, damn. We're gonna this one. First box we're gonna open is this one. So, ooh, I don't even know what this is from. Shoot. I don't.
Bro, that knife just.
This shit doesn't even cut, man.
I'm gonna say.
Okay, guys. Oh, wait, no, I gotta cut this. So what do you guys think it's gonna be, huh? What the, what? This is some BS, man. What kind of stuff is this? Okay, I guess. Yeah. Let's see, hold up. So we're gonna open this,
This is empty. Yo, did you take this out already?
No, I did it, bro. What the f?
Why is it empty?
Is this the whole thing? Oh, I think this is all.
okay.
Oh, it's the oil panel. Hey. Okay. Ooh. Man, what's so dirty? Look like somebody took a shit on it. Okay, so we got oil panel, you know. I need a new oil panel because I gotta tell you guys a story about this one. So, we're driving back from the mall, and if you guys who's from Des Moines watching this, we were driving back from Jordan Creek, and there was like a big old stone that was in the right side of the lane on the freeway, and I couldn't go in the left lane, so I'm driving my TC, you know, and I see that big old stone. I'm like, oh shit. So I'm driving, and I look to the left, and you see this car just staying right by me. Like, hey man, I was like, let me go. I gave that person a look like, let me go, and that person did not let me go. Passed by me, I ran right through the stone, and right here, boom, 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 boom. I'm just like, oh shit, oh shit, oh, and then you just see dust coming out, and then when I come back home, I was checking under my car, seeing what was wrong. Man, my oil panel was so fucked up, I almost cried. I said, I hate this shit, man. I hate these lowered cars, man. I almost gave up. One down? No. I don't know. Alright, so we can go with brake pads, man. I need new brake pads because ever since the accident, it was because of my brake pads. I got brake pads. I couldn't stop. But, you know, we got it. Okay, premium brake pads. Okay. Oh, let's check out the rollers, man. The drill slot, actually. Ooh, this is what I've been wanting for a long time for my TC, actually, man. And I saw Chai, you know, shout out to Royal Kings, CEO. You know, when he got this drill slot, he got me thinking about my life. I'm like, yeah, I need me one. Like, dude, I ain't trying to get in another accident. Okay, this is you gotta check this out, man. Yo, look at that, bro. So nice and neat.
It's dusty.
Yeah, it's dusty. But, ooh, okay. Ooh, look at this. Oh, man, I'm just over here ruining the surprise. I'm sorry, guys. But let's see. Let's check this out, actually. Come on.
Let's say boxes and boxes and boxes.
I know. Get over here. Come on. Come on, man. What? Yo, look at that. Man, they're like racing slots, actually. And I need them because I need my car to stop quicker, man. If I'm gonna be
some of these.
Go ahead, bro. Look at that, man. Check those out. Damn. So that's pretty dope. Whew. So I mean, we got two of those. Those ones I think are for my back, and these ones are for my front. So, I mean, at least we knocked two things down. So shoot, let's keep it real. Let's keep it real.
Set those aside.
Yeah, set these ones too. All right. So this is the big one. I hope this is my headlights actually. I need new headlights, man. Okay, let's see. Let's check this out, man. All right, so I'm hoping this is the headlights, man. Come on, what's up with these people just putting extra box? Ooh. should we do with this one? Oh, okay. Hopefully this is the OEM headlights that I bought. You know. Okay, let's check this out. My OEM headlights. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's pretty dope. You know, I want to go back to OEM. I mean, I like the OEM. You know, I just like to keep it original a little bit. You know. And let's see. So this one is. Oh, I think this is my hood latch ever since the accident, you know. I could never. Yeah. Now my hood can go back down finally, and I can freaking look nice for once. I'm waiting for this. And this one is, oh, hold up, let me get this real fast. Oh, shoot. Man, I suck at this. Okay. Ooh. Oh shoot, what is this? Oh shoot, I actually bought all of them? I thought I bought one. Dude, I really thought I bought one. Yo.
Bro!
So I think that's what they said. They meant a full kit, like a full, like you get extra for 100 something.
How much was this?
105.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad. Better than nothing, man. You know, it's those stuff. This one. What could it be, man? This could be a giveaway, guys. You guys might need it, man. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually a car part. Oh, my spark plugs, man. Ooh, okay. These are the premium ones. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The NGKs. Gonna open the small ones first. Check this out. Damn. Been needing me a new key. So let me tell you a story about what happened to this. You know, I have two separate keys. So this one, this is my secondary key. So my first key was like this one, and what happened was I let my cousin drive my car, and we went to a long road, you know, just to try, because he wants to do a burn. I'm not a burnout, but just to test out my car. So he started my key. He put my key in the ignition, and then when he tried to start it, snapped the whole key right into ignition. I'm like, bro, and I'm like, what's going on? He's like, bro, the car is still starting. I'm like, what? And what happened was so comedy. He stopped in the middle of the road and we switched, and I had to run and start. I'm like, the key's still in there, and I took it out. I'm like, oh shit. So I spent my butt looking around. I was just hitting first, second, third, fourth, and I'm just flying and getting home. I'm like, damn, thank you, Lord. I showed my dad. He said, what kind of is this? So I'm like, whatever. I need me a new key, man. And I hate going outside and I have to go all the way to my car just to unlock it instead of just pressing it right far away and just unlocking my car. That's what I hate the most, you know. This one, I don't even know what this one is actually. I kind of forgot. Oh wait, this is the biggest one that I've been waiting for. Damn. No. Oh, hold up. Oh, my two-step. Yo, I'm about to be playing with my two-step a lot. Be fun as that. Let's get it, bro. Okay. Oh, and there's my instructions. You know. I'm just gonna open the box. I give up.
There we go.
Okay. Ooh, this is nice bubbling. Yes, I've been needing this for the longest. Man. But I've been needing a new one actually. I don't even know what happened right here. But I mean, it's alright. I mean, I can detail it, you know, make it look like it's in mint condition. Right now it's still dirty.
Man, dude, it looks used.
Yeah, but it's okay because I've been needing a new one actually, and mine looks old like this, to be honest. So I mean, it's still good either way. Yeah. I needed that. Are there any more things? No.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the cool.
Yeah. Okay. Oh wait. No, this is actually my. Oh damn. What? Oh, I I've been waiting for this the whole time. Ever since the damn raccoon died from breaking one of mine. I've been needing a new one actually. Yo, look at that. What? That's classy. Now that's what I'm talking about. I like that. Yeah, that TC gonna come out clean. Clean as hell. Oh shit. Even the bottom one too. Hold up. Look at. Damn. Look how clean that is. There ain't no other place than eBay to get this shit, man. Recommend eBay. Hold on, let's see. Wait, this is actually the one. I should test it out on my TC actually, man. See if it actually fit. But there's gonna be another vlog. I'm gonna show you guys my new wheels I'm gonna get. Yo, that's pretty legit. Yeah. So, you know, guys, this is all I got for now. I mean, it looks pretty small, but it's pretty big after purchase. You know, when I put on my two-step, I want to show you guys how loud it is. I mean, a TC, that's straight pipe, but it sounds like a Subaru. That thing is pretty dope, you know. And what I'm hoping to plan is to put a turbo in my car, you know, turbo kit and everything, and just start small from there and start building it up. Maybe spend a couple thousand, 4,000 or 5,000 on it. Get a Gretty turbo, you know. Maybe change the exhaust, get sick and tired of the straight pipe, and just go for what? HKS exhaust. I like it.
Yeah.
But, you know, this is what I got. I'm pretty happy. I'm not sad that I lost all that much money for this. I'm just happy I spent it.
Yeah.
I could cry for a little bit now.
Gimme that lovin'.
New videos every Thursday, 12 p.m. noon.